Welcome to our Grill Masters barbecue series. Every time we barbecue, we bringing it to you.
Ready, guys?
Ready. Okay, this is what it looks like before we trim it up. So we're gonna go ahead and trim that up right quick. So we got these two pieces from when we trimmed it out. I always like to leave these for a sample. We got these strips that I also like to use for a sample. We put them on, add an all, smoke them up, and then cut them up so people can eat as we go. Alright, so what we're going to do with these is we're going to make what we call Worcestershire ribs. So we're going to use herb and garlic as our base. I would just go all Worcestershire just to keep that going, but the flavor is going to be a little bit different if you just go with that. This is one of my go-tos as my base. So we got garlic pepper as one of our underlying seasonings. Then we're going to put the Worcestershire right on top of that. Lorries. And this is allspice mixed in with a little bit of thyme and rosemary and some other spices. And what's in those other spices really just, garlic, fresh garlic, peppercorns, and some other things. But you can make your own herb spice, and that's what we call it, herb spice. And we're going to turn it over and do the same thing. anytime I season the bottom of ribs, I love to pepper it. And what that means is go heavy on the pepper. That's an added flavor for somebody biting into a rib. Okay, we got our chicken wings here. We're gonna soak them in vinegar, and then we're gonna make adobo chicken. Okay, we're gonna put canola oil on these. That helps with the bite through skin and not that rubbery skin that you can get, especially when you offset grilled chicken. White pepper. Chili powder. Body is seasoned all. And all the adobos, blue, red, yellow. I'm just gonna mix all these. And I know some have pepper, some don't. Some people talk about what they're for. Spice is spice. We barbecuing. Hey, we're gonna barbecue today. You ready? All right. What's up, big guy? Okay. Tomorrow? We're having a little paprika for color. Just what it looks like. We're gonna let that set, clean the grill, and then we're gonna put it on. Okay, this is what we're using today. This layer hardwood charcoal. We put the second layer of applewood charcoal on, and then we put the hardwood on top of that. So we got 3 layers of charcoal. We got the hardwood, we got the applewood charcoal, then we got the hardwood on the top. So we'll get this going. Last time we used 3 tumbleweed fire starters, but this time we're gonna only use 1. Then just to show you guys it can work this way. We'll be back.
You want to put what on? Oh, okay. Daddy will put it on for you. She wants to put the mic on.
Oh, we'll mic you up, yeah.
Are you ready for some barbecue? Say yes.
Yeah.
There you go. All right. We're washing the fish. We got Worcestershire ribs. We got adobo chicken. And we got seasoned fish with a little bit of Ghanaian mix. Special blend right here.
Just gonna line the fish up here. And grab some more. Just gonna dry the fish off and line it up on the foil.
This is croaker. Is croaker freshwater? The good thing about it is not filleted, so it's perfect for the grill.
Okay, and then start off with salt and put some black pepper on it. And some garlic powder. Onion powder. Just sprinkle a little bit of that on. Use some adobo. Blue top adobo.
Nice. That's a blue top. Adobo is becoming a staple.
Zatarain. We'll add some of this seasoning called zikoni. Just a little bit of it, not too much.
Oh, okay.
Just throw a little bit of that on there.
And where's this seasoning from?
From Ghana. So I get that from Ghana. I'm not sure what the name is for it over here or if they sell it over here.
Oh, so I couldn't get this
I'm not
here.
sure.
We're gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So we'll be right back.
With some ham so it doesn't stick to the grill.
And this worked last time we did fish. Nothing stuck to the grill. Big time.
And then I'm just gonna rub the seasoning in there. That's it. And we put
Big
that
time.
back
So I'm
the
gonna go check on these charcoal. And we'll be right back. Look at this. This is ready. So we're gonna pour this off. And we're gonna come back out and put everything back on and add a little bit more hardwood on there. So that can catch and take our temp up. But it's a beautiful day out here. We got our grill all cleaned up, so I think I'm gonna close the lid and then I'm gonna bring the meat out and put it on. Fish may go on later, it may go on now, go on anytime. It's going directly over the fire, but we're doing an indirect cook. And this is what everything looks like. And remember, we're gonna wrap one of the slabs of ribs, and we're not gonna wrap the other one, but we're doing them the same way. So we're gonna have wrapped ribs versus unwrapped ribs. And we got our chicken on the indirect over here, and we'll be back. wrapped ribs. And I can tell you, wrapped is better,
Yeah, mommy's getting it.
but they both are good.